The life is like a rose, beautiful roses there. And roses have beauty, but sometimes have thorns. We'll pray for you that you be capable of coping with the beauty of the rose and the difficulties of the thorns of the rose. As you walk together to age together.
And when we got to Key West, the very first thing I did was set out to find a jazz bar because I knew my younger brother was one of the best jazz piano players in the world. Well, it turns out there's exactly one jazz lounge on Duval Street in Key West, and I found it. And so I went up to the piano player. I figured I could talk him into letting Jeff play piano. So I tried that for about 20 minutes, and he wasn't that interested. So I advanced pretty fast to just bribery, and that worked really fast. And then Jeff starts playing. And this place packed in no time. I remember walking outside, looking down the street. First, there was a line down Duval Street. It was really special.
I was looking forward to meeting the mystery man who had captured my sister's heart. That's when I intended to do what all good big sisters do when they meet the boyfriend and look you over for prison tattoos, red flags, and trouble. But I could see right away you are a smart, fun, and caring guy with a high-quality man bun. I've since come to know you as the one who makes my sister happy. She loves your kind spirit, the goofy songs you sing her in the morning, and how you'll stroll through the house wearing her way too small robe and slippers. But best and most important of all is that you treat my sister with the great love and respect she deserves. So I know Hannah will be as precious and important in your life as she's always been in mine. Life is not about finding your limitations, it's about finding your infinity. And you and Hannah have found your infinity.